Hello viewers around the world, my name is HOOKNIJAS, and today we are at one of our sites to deliver our SmartTech product. But first of all, I want to wish you a happy and a prosperous new year. Okay, back to business. This is our SmartTech product. As you can see here is our smart RFID lock system. As you can see, the name of the client hotel is being customized at the door lock. As you can see, this is the best concept given to you by HOOKNINJAS Limited, the African largest tech giant. Alright, and this is our doorbell. It is installed in order to notify the client inside the room. It's our energy saver. This energy saver is a concept solely deployed by HOOKNINJAS Limited. Energy saver. This energy saver works with a smart card. Once the card is being slotted inside this energy saver, everything that needs to be functional in the room automatically starts working. And whenever the payment of customer in your hotel elapses, it automatically turns everything off, showing the customer that he should go down to the reception to renew his payment. Okay, and this is our D&D and clean function. As you can see, this is the outdoor panel and this is the indoor panel. This outdoor panel is being installed beside the door, and this is being installed beside the bedside inside the room, so that it can be easily accessed by your customer in order to operate. As you can see, we have the do not disturb and the clean options here. Once you press the do not disturb, it automatically shows here that the customer inside the room does not need any disturbance. The same thing applicable once you press on the clean, keep clean. This automatically shows here, signaling the housekeeper that the customer inside the room needs his rooms to be cleaned. To like and share our videos and subscribe to get more updates on our interesting SmartTech videos. Hello viewers, remember I showed you the SmartTech product that we are going to deploy in this smart hotel. As you can see, take a look, this is the smart hotel that we're going to deploy. Okay, HOOKNINJAS, when we are done installing our SmartTech product in this smart hotel, we turn this hotel into a hotel of class. Thanks for choosing HOOKNINJAS, the African largest tech giant.